Viewers, welcome to my channel. We have two earrings projects today's tutorial. Welcome. We will start our first project, orange golden earrings with petals. We have picked 4 golden seed beads at all. We are making knots. We have to make here double knot. After making knot, we will secure it and we will start our first project. First earring, our orange, metallic orange color petals. We are using petals and pearls, orange color pearls. We have passed. Now we are started our beading. We are adding 3 brown crystal beads 4 mm and we are passing through seed bead 8 O's. We have added 3 brown crystal beads. Now we pass through seed bead 8 O. Now we will add here 2 more crystal beads 4 mm, passing through 4 mm and seed bead 8 O. Pull the thread and make it tight. We will make these earrings using head pins, eye pins, earring wires. So today's projects are based on wire jewelry, and first project, these earrings are also with beads and wires. So we are adding 2 each time. First time we added 3 brown crystal beads 4 mm, and then we add 3 times 2. We will add 2 times 2, and at the end we will add only one brown crystal bead. Now next step is to add here golden seed beads 8 O. Each time we will add 3 golden seed beads and we will add 3 golden seed beads 4 times. Around brown golden crystal beads we will add each time 3 golden seed beads 8 O's, and in this way we will complete this round. Pass through 4 mm crystal bead. We will add these golden beads, seed beads. Now we have made 2 parts, beaded parts, and now we will make with eye pins petal part. Petal will added here, entered here in eye pins loop. We have opened it with pliers, its loop, and now we are after adding our petal, we have closed the loop of eye pin. Now here we will add our 6 mm orange color pearl, fresh orange color pearl. We will add here, and now we will cut extra part of our eye pin and make a loop here. With nose plier we will make a loop. We have made it. Now this part with petal and pearl we made with eye pin, this part will be added to to with help with 2 seed bead, golden seed beads. We will attach it, we will add it to our beaded part. Now we are adding it with needle and thread, passing through brown crystal bead 4 mm. We have added this petal and pearl part. Now it is added. Now we will attach here earring wire with 2 golden seed beads 8/0. We will attach here, and in this way we will complete our earring, our first project. After this we will start our second earrings making. I hope you guys will try it, you would like it. I work very hard for these all ideas, projects and patterns. I want your encouragement. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. I have made it. These earrings are ready. Elegant earring. I hope you guys like it. It takes no time to make. It is very easy. It is very quick. This pattern is very easy, simple. So after some work, bead work, we can make it. Now we are starting our second project. This is very elegant. These are cap earrings and materials are showing. We are showing materials on screen. You can easily pick all these details. And now we will start our project. This is very cute. Cap earrings. In my language, Urdu, we call these earrings jhumki style, jhumka style. These earrings we will be using eye pins and head pins, golden head pins, golden earring wire and golden. This combination is very cute, evergreen, always in trends. Golden with off-white pearls with golden touch. These are golden caps. These are jewelry making accessories. You can easily buy from jewelry making accessories shops. So we are using these golden caps. First of all, we will start our project with adding 6 mm of white pearl to head pin. We will cut extra part of head pin, and now we will make its loop with help of pliers, nose plier. It is very easy, and you can you can learn how to make loops very easily. And if you are fond of jewelry making, you must try it and you must learn it how to make loops, because white jewelry is also very in trends, and is also in trends, and it looks very pretty. So now we are starting to open our eye pins loop. We will here add our 6 mm pearl, which we have added with which we have prepared with head pin. And now we have closed the loop of eye pin, and it is added. Our 6 mm pearl added. Now we are adding in eye pins wire, we are adding 8 mm pearl of white pearl. We are adding it, and after it we have added it. Now we will add golden cap. And golden cap is added easily, and now we will make a loop here with nose plier. We will make a loop, and we are making it. It is very easy. Believe me, both earring projects are very easy, and it will take no long time to make it. So you can easily, and you must try it. These are very easy, but the result is very elegant. It's very good result. You can make two earrings, two pair of earrings with a short time. You have to only arrange materials, jewelry making materials. Now it's ready. Our second projects, our second earrings are ready. Cap earring, and very elegant, very easy to make. I hope you would like it. You have to collect your materials and let's start to make it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share my channel. Encourage me. I need your comments. I need your subscriptions and likes. So guys, my dear friends, my dear viewers, subscribe my channel SomyCrafty, and I will say bye now. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz and bye bye.